Hi, hello, welcome back. In this video, we will be learning about user interfaces, types of interfaces, and how important are user interfaces in an application. What is user interface? Before we start writing programs using C, we need to understand what is interface. A user interface is the mechanism a human user interact with the computer using an application. That is, with our C programs, we have to build applications that makes user to interact with a computer without writing any programs. To make users interact with a computer using an application for doing a defined task, we need to build a proper user interface for our application, which makes easier for user to complete the task. For example, let's take a calculator application in Windows. We have so many buttons and a display bar to make our calculations visible to us. Those buttons let us enter numbers and mathematical symbols, and display bars helps us to see if numbers and symbols are entered properly. Just hope if buttons are missing to enter numbers in the calculator, it would be a poor user interface. That is, if we want our application to be more user friendly, we have to build best possible user interface for our application. Types of user interfaces. There were two popular user interfaces initially. First is character user interface (CUI) and the second is graphical user interface (GUI). Nowadays more user interfaces have evolved like touch user interface, voice user interface, etc. In this video, for learning purpose, we will learn only about character user interface and graphical user interface, which are meant for the display of output of our application. We call them CUI and GUI from now onwards. Types of user interfaces. CUI is a text-based user interface where computer screen will show only character-based output and inputs also shall be given in form of text-based commands using keyboard. Initially DOS, Unix, Linux, etc. operating systems and most of the command-based applications on these OS are CUI based. GUI, as the name suggests, it is graphics-based interface where computer screen can be used to show icons, shapes and other forms of graphical objects to interact with the computer. Even characters are shown as graphical fonts in GUI-based applications. Microsoft Windows operating system and Windows applications like MS Office, Paint, AutoCAD are examples for GUI-based applications. So we must understand that to build an application to be most user-friendly, programming user interface is in that application is very important. For learning purpose, in most of our sessions, we will be learning and writing CUI-based programs only. To build GUI applications, there are many more advanced programming languages like Visual C++, Java, etc. have evolved, which let building GUI applications more easier. These C tutorial sessions are purely meant for learning C programming and not for any advanced programming. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe M Coding channel so that you don't miss any update from us.